Hello everyone, I am Yushant of class 5A. What is the definition of an area? Area is the amount of space inside an object or a shape. Area is measured in square centimeters, square meters, etc. Let us take that 1 square like this is equal to 1 square centimeters. Now let us measure the area in this bird picture. First, we have to count the squares in this picture. Full squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 full squares in this picture. Then we have to add the pictures that are half inside and half outside the square. We have to add these two to get 1. So that will make the 5th square. We have to add all of these places to make 1 square. This will make another square. You have to add these parts to make another square. So this makes another square. So if we count everything, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we have 7 squares. So the area in this bird picture is equal to 7 square centimeters. Thank you. Today we are going to learn about perimeter. What is a perimeter? The length of the boundary is called perimeter. Here we have taken 3 rectangles. Each rectangle is made out of 12 equal squares. Each square is equal to 1 square centimeters. Let us measure the perimeter of the first rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the perimeter of the first rectangle is equal to 14 centimeters. All the 3 rectangles have the equal amount of area, which is 12 square centimeters. Now let us see the perimeter of the second rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 16 centimeters. Here we can see that the perimeter is different than from the first rectangle. The first rectangle's perimeter is 14 centimeters and the second rectangle's perimeter is 16 centimeters. Now let us see the third rectangle. Its perimeter is 26 centimeters. So here we have seen that even though the area is equal in all of these rectangles, the perimeter differs. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Yushant of class 5A. Today let us see how many squares are there in different types of stamps. Let us take the first one. It has 4 full squares and 4 half squares. So 2 halves make 1, so this makes 1 square. So these 2 make another square. So 4 plus 2 equal to 6 squares. Let us go to the next stamp. It has 6 full squares and 3 half squares. If we put these 2 halves together, we will get another one. So we have 7 squares. We have one more half left over. So we can add this to the total. So 7.5 squares. Let us go to the next stamp. It has 4 full squares and 2 half squares. So 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Let us go to the next stamp. It has 4 full squares. Let us go to the next stamp. It has 6 full squares. So it covers 6 full squares. Let us go to the next stamp. It also has 6 squares. The same way, this stamp covers 24 squares and this stamp covers 20 squares. Thank you.
I am Manamitra Kaur from class 5A. Today I am going to find the perimeter and area of this given figure. So let us begin. So the question is, make big squares and rectangles like this to find the area fastest. Here in this rectangle there are 54 squares and in this one rectangle there are 12 squares, and Same, in this rectangle there are 16 squares. These all squares are full squares. There are some more full square in this figure. Like this is one full square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So the total number of full square in this figure are 54 plus 12 plus 16 plus 17 equal to 99. So there are 99 full squares in this figure. Now I will count half squares. These two will make a full square. So this is one full square. Similarly, these two make another one full square. Similarly, if we count like this, we will get 36 half squares here. Or we can say that we will get 18 full squares. So the area of this figure is 99 plus 18 equal to 117 square centimeter. Now I will find the area of these shapes. So let us begin. Here the number of full square is 4 and there are some more full square also in the given picture, that is 5 and 6. So there are 6 full square in this picture. And now I will count half squares. So these two will make one half square and similarly these two will make another one half square. If we count like this, we will get here 10 half square, or we can say 5 full square. So the area of this figure is 6 plus 5 equal to 11 square centimeter. Now I will find the area of this figure. The full square in this rectangle is 3 2 6. So there are 6 full square in this rectangle. And now I will count half squares. These two will make one full square and these two will make another full square. So similarly, if we count like this, we will get 14 half squares, or we can say 7 full square. So the area of this figure is 6 plus 7 equal to 13 square centimeter. Now I will find the area of this figure. The squares inside this rectangle are 6, but there are some more full square that are these two. So 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 full squares. Now I will count the half squares. These two will make one more full square. Similarly, if we count like this, we will get 12 half squares, or we can say that 6 full squares. So the area of this figure is 8 plus 6 equal to 14 square centimeter. Now I will find the area of this figure. In this rectangle there are 6 full squares and there is one more full square in this picture, that is this one. So total there are 7 full squares. Now I will count the half square. These two will make one full square. Similarly, if we count like this, we will get 10 half square, or you can say that we will get 5 full squares. So the area of this figure is 7 plus 5 equal to 12 square centimeter. Thank you. Good evening everyone. I am Anamitra Kaur from class 5A. Today I am going to find the perimeter of this shape. So let us begin. To find the perimeter of this shape, I have to put the thread around its boundary and then measure its length. So let us begin. I will put thread in this shape like this. And now I will cut this and measure its length. So up to here it is 15 centimeter, and Here also 15, so up to 30 centimeter, and so 30 plus 30 equal to 43. So this its perimeter is 43 centimeter. Now similarly I will find perimeter of these shapes. First I will put this around this shape, and now I will cut it. So now its length is 14.5 centimeter. So its perimeter is 14.5 centimeter. And now I will measure the length of this shape. First I will put the thread around this. Now I will cut it. So its length is 15 centimeter. The perimeter of the shape is 15 centimeter. Now I will measure the perimeter of the shape. First I will put the thread in this way. And now I will measure its length. So it is also 15 centimeter. The perimeter of the shape is 15 centimeter. And now I will put thread in this and find its perimeter in the same way. And now I will measure its length. So its length is 14 centimeter. The perimeter of this shape is 14 centimeter. Thank you.
Hi friends, today I am going to explain how many squares, page number 40. Now we should find out the area of the shapes. First is A. We should draw horizontal line and vertical line. Now I will count full squares. 1, 2, 3. Here is some half. Here 4, here 4, here 5, here 5, here 6 and here 6. The area of A is 6 square centimeter. Now B. Join the horizontal and vertical line. Count the full squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is of 5. Here is of 6. Here is of 7. Here is of 8. Here is 4 quarters. So I will add 9, 9, 9. So B area is 9 square centimeter. And next C. Draw the horizontal and vertical line. Count the full squares. 1 and 2. Here is of squares. 3, 3 is 4, 4. Area of C is 4 square centimeter. And D. Here join the horizontal and vertical line. Count the squares. 1. Here is of 6, 6. D area is 6 square centimeter. And E. Join the vertical and horizontal line and count the squares. 18. So here is half. So 19, 19 is 20, 20, 21, 21. E area is 21 square centimeter. Last one, F. Join the horizontal and vertical line and count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is half 5. Here is of 6. Here is of 7 and 8 here. So F area is 8 square centimeter. See here, E is having more C is having less area. Thank you.